find function values and evaluate difference quotients. Let's look at the first one here. We have f of x plus h y. That means that I'm going to put x plus h in for all of the x's into my equation, function there, and I'm going to put this in for my y. So let's see what that looks like. The first thing that I like to do is when I write out my function is to make a parentheses everywhere that I'm going to be putting things in for it. And as you see, I have to stop talking while I do that. Okay, now I'm going to put x plus h in for my x's, and I'm going to put y in for my y's. Now let's put the rest of our expression in here. So we're going to minus the function, so I'm going to put a parentheses, 4x squared plus 9y squared. Now this is all over h. Let's do some simplifying. We'll have 4. Now x plus h squared is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. 9y squared is just 9y squared. Now we're going to distribute our negative. We're going to have minus 4x squared minus 9y squared. And of course, it's still all over h. I'm going to distribute my 4 here, and we will have 4x squared plus 8xh plus 4h squared, but the rest of it's going to stay the same. Plus 9y squared minus 4x squared minus 9y squared all over h. Now what's really cool is I have a positive 4x squared and a negative 4x squared and a negative 9y squared and a positive 9y squared. And let's see what we have. We have 8xh plus 4h squared all over h. Now we're going to factor out the h. I'm going to have h. Now 8xh divided by h is 8x. 4h squared divided by h is 4h all over h. Now we're going to cancel. So it turns out we end up with 8x plus 4h. Let's look at the second part here. The second part, we're going to take the limit as h approaches 0 of the same difference quotient. So we're going to rewrite what we had, but we're going to write the limit as h approaches 0 of 8x plus 4h. Now as h approaches 0, this is going to approach 0. So what are we going to end up having is just 8x. And you did it. All right. That wasn't too bad, was it? Yay.